Hello guys, you are welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset your WordPress website. How you can reset your WordPress website to a brand new WordPress. When you are resetting, it means that you want to format your WordPress, right? How you can format your WordPress website to a brand new one. So all you need to do is to stay with me to this video while we do this together. Alright, so for you to do that, go to plugin. There's a particular plugin that will enable you to reset or to format your WordPress website. So if you come over to plugins, you click on add new. Alright, click on add new, then you search for WP reset. WP reset is the name of the plugin. Right, this is the plugin here, this particular one, this WP reset, most advanced WordPress reset tool by Web Factory Limited. So you click on install, then you click on, once you finish installing, you activate. All right, now we activate. Okay, good. So all you need to do is to come to, you will see, come to tools here, and you see WP reset. Click on it. All right, once you do that, scroll down. You will see where it says type reset. See where it says type reset. Now, once you come over here, just type reset like this, right? And it will you come over here again. You can also see type reset. Then you come over to this place and click on reset website. I say reset WordPress. It will format everything that is already existing on the WordPress and give you a brand new installation. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? There's nothing there to give you a brand new installation. All right, this is it. Now, if peradventure you don't want this installation, you want to delete everything completely, you want to delete the WordPress completely, all you need to do is to go to your WordPress, go to your cPanel rather, come to your cPanel. Let me go back. Come to cPanel. As you come to cPanel, all right, come to WordPress. Let it load. Come to WordPress. Alright, so once you come over to your WordPress, you can see these are the installation that is already there. Just come over to this place that says remove. You click on it. Alright, click on remove. Wait for it. Alright, you wait for it. Alright, let's just okay, so you wait for it to remove. Once you do that, you now come over to what is called remove installation. You click on it and you click OK. All right, once you do these two things, it will remove. You can see that the installation is removed completely. It will help to remove the WordPress you have already installed completely from the server, from the cPanel, from everywhere. All right, so that is how you do that. So in case you are having issue with your WordPress, you want to remove, instead of just creating directory, you can use this to reset your WordPress website. You can use this to delete your WordPress. All right, thank you guys for staying to this end of the video. Hope you got value. Remember to give this video a thumb up and turn on your notification bell to get updates on our subsequent video. See you guys in my next video.